This review is based on extensive feedback gathered from users across the internet regarding the authentic $100. President Donald Trump 24KT gold-plated commemorative banknote by Aizics Mint. This product stands out as a unique collectible, especially for those interested in political memorabilia. The item is a gold-plated banknote designed to resemble a $100 bill featuring President Donald Trump, crafted with impressive detail and quality. Many users immediately appreciate the remarkable quality of the note. The 24KT gold plating gives it a bright, prestigious shimmer that makes it an eye-catching piece. The craftsmanship is notable, with intricate patterns and fine lines that elevate the note beyond a simple replica to a work of art. This attention to detail is a common highlight among buyers, who value the effort put into making the note authentic-looking and visually appealing. The product also comes with a certificate of authenticity, which adds legitimacy and reassures collectors that they are purchasing a genuine item. The packaging is thoughtfully designed to protect the banknote while maintaining its display quality, making it suitable for collectors who want to keep the item in pristine condition. Users have praised the protective casing for preserving the note's appearance without detracting from its visual impact. On the downside, some buyers find the price to be somewhat high for a commemorative banknote. While the quality justifies the cost to many, the price point may be a consideration for those new to collecting or on a budget. Another point raised is the absence of historical context or background information included with the product. Some collectors would appreciate additional material that explains the significance of the note or its place in political memorabilia, which could enhance the overall value and appeal. The image of President Trump on the note has received mixed reviews. Although it is recognizable, some feel the resolution and clarity of the portrait could be sharper. This aspect may be subjective, but it is worth noting for potential buyers who prioritize image quality. Despite these minor drawbacks, the product has been well received overall. Many users report that the note has become a focal point in their collections and a conversation starter. It is often described as a great gift, especially for supporters of President Trump or those who enjoy collecting unique political items. Customer service experiences have also been positive, with reports of quick responses and effective resolution when packages were lost or delayed. The material and feel of the bill have been consistently praised for their quality, contributing to the satisfaction of buyers. In summary, the authentic $100. President Donald Trump 24KT gold-plated commemorative banknote by Aizics Mint is a high-quality collectible that appeals to political memorabilia enthusiasts. Its exquisite detailing, authentic look, and premium packaging make it a standout piece. While the price and lack of additional historical information may be drawbacks for some, the overall value and uniqueness of the item make it a recommended addition to any collection. Users who own this item are encouraged to leave their reviews to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase this collectible is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers interested in acquiring this item.